The Italian Air Force was handed over the advanced Eurofighter Typhoon during a ceremony from Leonardo's plant in Cassel. The ceremony was attended by the Chief of Staff of the Italian Air Force, General Alberto Rosso, the CEO of Leonardo, Alessandro Profumo, and the Aircraft Division Managing Director, Marco Zoff. The Eurofighter Typhoon will be a pivotal element in the path of innovation which is aimed at fully safeguarding European technological sovereignty in the coming years, said Alessandro Profumo, CEO of Leonardo. The delivery of the last aircraft, which completes the Eurofighter fleet, is the main asset of a complex and diversified national and NATO air defense system, is a major program milestone, Italian Air Force Chief of Staff, General Alberto Rosso said at the handover ceremony of the aircraft, which is destined to the Italian Air Force's 51st Wing Istrana Air Base. The aircraft has proven to be a reliable, flexible, and versatile asset, and is ready to face new technological challenges to continue to guarantee the highest level of safety across the Italian skies and protection of national interest. This is thanks to a wide range of operational capabilities which complement air defense duties such as intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR, and attack, swing role. The Eurofighter Typhoon is equipped with two Eurojet EJ200 engines, each capable of providing dry thrust of up to 60 kN 13,500 lbf, and greater than 90 kN 20,230 lbf with afterburner. Using the war setting, dry thrust increases by 15% to 69 kN per engine and afterburner by 5% to 95 kN per engine, and for a few seconds, thrust up to 102 kN without damaging the engine. The EJ200 engine incorporates leading-edge technology from each of the four European companies, using state-of-the-art digital control and health monitoring, wide-rope aerofoils and single-crystal turbine blades, and a convergent-divergent exhaust nozzle to provide high thrust-to-weight ratio, multi-mission capability, supercruise performance, low fuel consumption, low cost of ownership, modular construction and growth potential. The Typhoon is capable of supersonic roaming without the use of afterburners called supercruise. Air Forces Monthly provided a maximum supercruise speed of Mach 1.1 for the RAF FGR-4 multirole version, but in the Singapore evaluation, the Typhoon managed to advance at Mach 1.21 on a hot day with a combat payload. The Eurofighter states that the Typhoon can launch at Mach 1.5. Like the F-22, the Eurofighter can launch weapons while under supercruise to expand their range through this running start. As of 2007, the EJ200 engine has accumulated 50,000 engine flying hours in service with the four state air forces, Germany, UK, Spain and Italy. The EJ200 engine has the potential to be equipped with a thrust vectoring control (TVC) nozzle, which the Eurofighter and Eurojet consortium is actively developing and testing, mainly for export but also for future fleet upgrades. TVC can reduce fuel burn on the Typhoon mission by 5%, as well as increase the thrust available in the supercruise by 7% and thrust to take off by 2%. Clemens Linden, CEO of Eurojet Turbo GmbH, speaking at the 2018 Farnborough International Air Show, said, 15% more thrust will enable pilots to operate with a heavily loaded aircraft in the battle room with the same level of performance as they currently have. Technology also provides more persistence, giving the aircraft a longer distance or longer loitering time. Using the latest generation single crystal turbine blade material and with higher aerodynamic efficiency, we can achieve lower fuel combustion. Yang independent and optimized for all flight conditions, providing fuel combustion advantages. Technology for various components is at technological readiness levels are between 7 and 9. The nozzle has been at ITP in Spain on a test mat for 400 hours. On the 16th of December 2005, the F-2000 Typhoon reached initial operational capability (IOC) with the Italian Air Force Aeronautica Militare. Its F-2000 Typhoons were put into service as air defense fighters at the Grosseto Air Base, and immediately assigned to QRA at the same base. On the 17th of July 2009, Italian Air Force F-2000A Typhoons were deployed to protect Albania's airspace. On the 29th of March 2011, Italian Air Force Eurofighter Typhoons began flying combat air patrol missions in support of NATO's Operation Unified Protector in Libya. Between January and August 2015, 4 Aeronautica Militaire F-2000A Typhoons, from 36 and 37 Stormo, were deployed to Šiauliai Air Base in northern Lithuania as part of the Baltic Air Policing mission. The Typhoon is a multi-role fighter with mature air-to-ground capabilities. The initial absence of air-to-ground capability is believed to have contributed to the rejection of the type from the Singapore fighter jet competition in 2005. It was said at the time that Singapore was concerned with the delivery timescale and capabilities of the Eurofighter partner countries. To fund the required capability package, Tranche 1 aircraft can drop laser-guided bombs in connection with a third-party designation, but the anticipated deployment of the Typhoon to Afghanistan means that Britain needs its own bombing capabilities before any other partner. In 2006, the UK embarked on a £73 million Change Proposal 193 (CP193) to provide robust air-to-surface capabilities using the Paveway 2 and Rafael Ultra Electronics Lightning II's GBU-16 laser markers for Tranche 1 Block 5 aircraft. Was named Typhoon FGR-4 by the RAF. Similar capabilities were added to Tranche 2 aircraft on the main development line as part of upgrading Phase 1. The P-1A SRP-10 entered service in Q1 2013 and added the use of Paveway IV, EGBU-16 and cannons against surface targets. The P-1E flat SRP-12 adds full integration with GPS bombs such as the GBU-10 Paveway 2, GBU-16 Paveway 2, Paveway IV and a new real-time operating system that allows multiple targets to be attacked at once. This new system will serve as the basis for future weapons integration by individual countries under Phase 2 upgrade. Successfully completed in January 2016. Storm Shadow and Meteor firing is part of upgrading Stage 2 P2E that introduces a range of new and improved long-range attack capabilities to the Typhoon. Apart from Meteor and Storm Shadow, the first direct firing of the MBDA Brimstone air-to-surface missile, part of the Phase 3 Enhancements P3E program, was successfully completed in July 2017. The German aircraft can carry 4 1,000-pound GBU-48 bombs. The anti-ship capability has been studied but has not been contracted. Weapon options for this role could include the Boeing Harpoon, MBDA Mart, C Brimstone, and RBS-15. The Typhoon also carries a specially developed variant of the Mauser BK-27 27mm gun originally developed for the Panavia Tornado. It is a gas-operated, single-barreled revolver gun with a new linkless feed system located at the root of the starboard wing, capable of firing up to 1,700 rounds per minute. There were proposals on the grounds of cost in 1999 to limit British armament equipment to the first 53 Batch 1 aircraft and not operational, but this decision was overturned in 2006.